2019 F450 FX4 Super Duty crew cab long bed dually Powerstroke turbo diesel. This is a 23,000 mile truck. We have serviced and inspected it with the local Ford dealership. Tire condition is as you'd expect of 20,000 miles. A couple little light scuffs on the wheels. It does have the alloy wheels. This truck is basically an XLT. They call it an STX model. But the option that this truck has that I have never seen on one like this is the 5-way camera system. It has the full surround cameras and the grille facing forward, both mirrors, the one for the bed, and this does have the gooseneck and fifth wheel provisions as well as a spray-in bed liner, LED tail lights, LED bed lights, tailgate step, rear camera here and a rear camera up there. This truck has a mode called the trailer hookup mode, where you can literally have never hooked up to a trailer before, and this thing will back you right up to the ball, whether it be the ball in the bed or the ball on the hitch. It's got a satellite type view for some reason, or how that works I don't know, but it's pretty incredible, and it will make the easiest time of hooking up to a trailer you've ever seen. Clean interior if we're brought to bring the key out here. I drove this truck yesterday. It just came in, runs out good. It does have the extra long side steps by Laverne. They go all the way to the back, making it very easy to get up onto the bed of the truck. The dually flares are not damaged at all. Fifth wheel gooseneck and tag along towing, full tow package. Very nice clean truck. Not dinged up, not damaged. Of course not rusty because it's so new. Trailer hookup in the bed, trailer hookup on the back. Vinyl floor with WeatherTech floor mats, cloth seats. Serviced, inspected, Ford dealer, still under factory warranty. Also just got in this 2017. Just last night we bought a 2020 crew cab long bed, so quite a few new late model Super Duties. The 2020 only has 1,000 miles on it. It's lifted. These two are stock. So good inventory right now on the newer Super Duties, as well as obviously plenty of other vehicles in stock ready to go. Check us out anytime.